Hey friends, I'm back with another drawing. This time I challenged myself to be little innovative. And this is something I came up with. So that is what we are going to try today. In case you don't know me, this is Abhilasha and welcome to AB's Trilab. And without any further delay, let's get started. Starting with a quick rough outline to align the things properly. Now let's set our page on fire so that our little fellas will come out. Using very common combination of red, orange and yellow here. Showing some shadows where paper is bent. While showing their shadow on paper, I have considered the way paper is bent. So the point here is that shadow should be aligned to the surface of the page that we have shown here. Refining this guy here that is trying to save his friend. I have given them same uniform with somewhat different looking hat. Okay, let's move to the books now. I'm going to use blue shades for the cover of the books. Instead of showing complete lines for the pages, I have given light strokes at corners and binding areas of the books. I'm not showing detailed features on their face, just using two brown shades for their skin. And now working on their clothes, I have used some yellow to show the reflection of the fire on them. And now, very important part of this drawing, that is shadow. I feel the shadows are giving plus point to this drawing, so don't forget to add shadows. Giving the finishing touch at the curves. And finally drawing the grid lines on the paper. giving some final touch-ups, and we are almost done. Just the last step. We will now add background to our drawing to make it little more interesting. You can skip the step, it's just an add-on. Okay, for the table surface I'm using brown, maroon and yellow ochre. For this I have used oil pastels over here, but you are free to use whatever is available with you. Covering up some areas with tape so that I won't ruin my earlier work. And now yellow, green and olive for the background wall. Finally done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you find this drawing interesting. And as usual, I would suggest you to try this out. And if you do, don't forget to share your artwork with me. Use the hashtag #APZDryLab or inbox me. Links are available in the description box. So until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling. See ya!